Hey everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we have a Breville Oracle that was brought to us because it had a blown fuse along with some leaking coming out from one of the double boilers. So we replaced the fuse and we also replaced and lubed the gaskets in the top of the boiler. So it should be working good as new. So let's grind the beans and then we'll pull a shot. So today we're using some Verve beans, some really nice flavors. Chocolate, blueberry pie, and bourbon. Alright, it's done. Let's remove that. Let's insert it here. Alrighty, that's inserted. Let's get a shot in there. And let's do one shot. See if I get my aim right. Let's down the crema. Looking good. Had a bit misaligned in the beginning, so there's a bit of drippage on the rear end of the cup, but other than that, it looks like good pour, nice coloration, really nice crema. It smells amazing, and that should do it. So, if you like these videos and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you later.